Okay, ayan. So, again, good morning and welcome ulit sa klase natin. So, for today, ang ating discussion po is I'll be demonstrating to you on how to answer the examination na tinake ninyo last time. Okay? So, I have the questions here. Okay? So, this is the yung last lang na exam na tinake ninyo. So, this is, ang coverage niya is sales and purchasing. Okay, so I'll be demonstrating on how to do this one step by step. So, first off, I'll log on the account na lang po na walang nagmamayari. So, maybe I'll just use this database na lang po. Okay, or yung company natin. Yan. Okay, tapos, syempre yung account na walang nagmamayari. Yan. Pero sa inyo, syempre yung account ninyo. Okay, so, ayan. Nakalagin na ako dun sa aking gagamitin na account. And yung mga usual lang naman na window yung lumalabas. So, I'll just check muna kung may gumamit nito. Okay. Check ko muna kung merong sales order ito. Okay, wala naman. Kasi walang last data record sa sales order. I'll also check the purchasing. Wait lang. Hindi pala naka-ano dito sa screen. Ayan. Okay, so wala rin. Ayan, so nakalagin na ako sa aking account and I'll perform na po yung ating examination using this account. So first off, I'll order 20 pieces of item 001 to vendor V0001. Okay, on a single order document. So syempre, vendor yan. Ang atin pong document kapag vendor po ay purchasing. Okay, so I'll order 20 pieces. So this is on the purchase order. Ang vendor ko po ay si V0001. Okay, that indicates si SanDisk Electronics. Lalagay ko po yung branch ko and then lalagay ko na po yung item na bibilhin ko. I can type here item 001 or I can also click the button here para i-search na lang yung document ay yung item na yon. So yan. Diyan naman na yan eh. Okay, so item 001 and quantity niya is I'm ordering 20 pieces. Okay. So there, naka-order na ako. And then I'll just add this one kasi yun lang naman yung aking gagawin. Okay. So maybe I'll just zoom in this window para medyo makita natin ng maigi. Okay. So ayan. So close ko muna ito. Ayan, para makita naman. Okay. Another one would be, okay, check na yung number 1. Number 2 naman tayo. Receive the first shipment of your order from V001 containing 15 pieces. So, next is I'll just rely on my base document, my purchase order na ginawa ko lang kanina. Okay. So, from this order, I'll just receive the first shipment using goods receipt PO. Okay. Basta kapag receiving of yung goods from the vendor, goods receipt PO lagi. Okay. So, 15 pieces lang daw yung unang dumating. So, this is based on my purchase order 319. Okay. So, add ko na po ito. And, yes. Yan. There. I'm done with number 2 na po. So, okay na po tayo doon. Meron na po tayong 15 sa ating in stock ngayon. Okay? So, to check that, tingnan natin ulit. Okay, saan ba yung pinaka-last na receiving document ko na GRPO? Okay, ito yon 15, di ba? I'll just click here na lang po yung arrow dito sa item 001 and then makikita ko po on my inventory data sa aking warehouse. Ayan. Branch 50. Ayan, para makita ninyo na branch 50 nga. Okay, so nag-order kasi ako ng 20 kanina, so bali 20 yung dapat dito. Tapos nung dumating yon, yung 15 doon sa aking 20 na order, napunta na tayo dito sa in-stock. Okay, so 15 ang in-stock, 5 ang ordered, and then 20 ang available. Okay, so that is the yung item stock card natin for the branch 50. Okay, so next naman po na gagawin natin is number 3 na po tayo. Si customer C0001 orders 10 pieces of item 001 sa akin. So meaning, customer ito, ang atin pong gagawin na transaction is hindi na purchasing, kundi nasa sales na po tayo. Okay? So, gagawa tayo ng sales order indicating C0001. Okay? Si Guanzon Corporation, on my branch, bibili daw siya ng item 001. Okay. So, ilang piraso? Ang hinahanap niya ay 10 piraso. Okay? So, ilalagay ko dito 10. Okay, on my delivery date, kasi kailangan ito, otherwise sasabihin niya, okay, delivery date is missing. Okay, so the same na lang po ngayon, kasi ngayon din naman natin ipe-perform ito eh. So, yan na po yun. Okay, so December 6, 2021, sabi dyan, the same lang sa posting date natin. So, kapag in-add ko to, I'm actually, okay, yes lang natin yan. And I'm actually saying that Guanzon or customer C001 orders 10 pieces ng item. So sa aking stock inventory, okay, ganito nang itsura nun. Meron akong 15 na nasa bodega, may 10 na nasa reserve. Okay, ito yung in-order pa lang pero hindi ko pa dineliver. And then meron akong 5 na paparating pa lang. Okay? So far ang pwede kong i-promise sa mga next na customer ko ay may 10 na available. Okay? So that is my inventory stock card for this item na USB flash drive. So close ko muna to. Ayan, so I'm done with number 3. Okay? So next, number 4 naman po tayo. Receive the remaining items from your order in V001 as your second shipment. Okay? Meaning yung natitirang 5 na paparating pa lang, i-receive na daw natin. Okay? So hindi po ito usaping sales. Babalik tayo doon sa ating order kasi syempre doon natin ibabase yung dumating na delivery from our supplier or our vendor. Okay, so I'll just open up the purchase order na ginawa ko kanina and then I'll go to my last data record and confirm na ito nga yun, yung 20 na nag-order ako. Okay, so next is I'll copy this to my goods receipt PO para magawa siya ng receiving copy. Okay, so yan na po. Makikita natin that once the goods receipt PO displays yung remaining items na pwede kong i-receive, makikita natin na 5 na lang po yung natitira doon. So this is based pa rin sa purchase order 319. Okay, so sabi naman doon sa ating receive the remaining items, wala namang sinabi na ilan yung dumating. So remaining, ito na po yun. So i-add ko na lang po ito and this will indicate all of my ordered goods to be in the in-stock na po. Okay? So, based on my record sa goods receipt PO, I have the first one, the 15 quantity, and then the second one, the 5 quantity of item 001. Okay? Both are based on purchase order 319. So, makikita po natin dito on my stock card that I have 20 na nasa bodega, 10 na naka-reserve, and then 10 na available. Okay? So, close ko muna ito and I'm done with this transaction number 4. Next, si customer naman daw po, sabi niya, C001 wants to edit his previous order from 10 pieces of item 001 to 15 pieces. Ayan. So, sabi niya, hindi pa naman daw na i-deliver sa kanya, baguhin na lang daw yung order niya. So, magbe-base tayo doon sa sales order na ginawa natin sa kanya. That's still okay dahil hindi pa naman natin nagawan ng delivery ito. At the status is still open. Okay? So, from 10 pieces, 15 pieces daw yung kanyang i-order na lang on this document. Okay? So, ayun. Tinype lang natin yung 15 and then pipress lang natin yung okay. And then lalagay natin dito that we have the item availability check. Nangyayari po ito kapag meron tayong mga item na hindi eksakto doon sa quantity na pwedeng ibenta. Okay? So, base kasi dito, we have 10 and then 10 yung committed, available is 10. So, ilagay na lang natin dito. Let's say, let's check kung pwede itong change to available quantity. Okay? 10 yung nakalagay, pero 15 yung gusto nating ilagay. Let's try to muna. Okay. So, continue. Pag continue naman, 15 pa rin ang lalabas dyan. Okay. So, kapag in-okay ko na ito, it will accept the sales order as 15 na. Oops, bakit ayaw yata. Let me check. Kung ayaw pa rin, let's try other actions. Warehouse 50. 15 naman. Nagkakaano dito. Dapat dire-diretso lang to. Display. Let's try to delete the row. Item 001. Okay. Yan. 15. Update. Ayun. Okay. So, ayaw niyang i-accept kanina dahil meron tayong previous na quantity. So, 10 yung nandun, tapos naglalagay tayo ng 15, it will indicate another na reservation ng 15. So, ang ginawa natin is we just deleted the first na quantity ng item na yon. So, clear natin siya para talagang wala pa siyang order kunwari. And then, pinalitan natin siya as 15. Ayun. So, meron na tayong inedit na 15 na items on this Guanson Corporation na order niya. Okay? So, check natin. Check natin ulit. Sales order, last data record, 15 na yung nandoon sa kanyang order. So, that is the last document na ginawa natin sa sales order. So parang para hindi tayo magkaroon ng error doon sa ating process na baka mag-overwrite yung 10 kanina and then 15, so magiging 25 siya, clear out natin siya. Ayun po. Okay? So, there. Tapos na tayo sa number 5. Ayan. So, next po is return the 5 pieces of item 001 from the first shipment. Okay. So, magbe-base tayo dun sa first shipment back, the first shipment. Okay. Babalik natin yon back to V0001 due to factory defect daw. Okay. So, nakita daw nung ating bodegero na meron daw factory defect yon or yung quality control natin. So, I'll just close this one and then, syempre, ang usapin na yan ay nasa purchasing. So, sabi doon, on my first shipment. So, yung first document na create natin sa goods receipt PO that contains the 15 na quantity, ibabalik daw natin yung 5 dito. Okay? So, this is the first one. The second one is the 5 lang po na quantity. Okay? So, first one tayo. This is goods receipt PO 331. Okay? I'll copy this to goods return. Ibabalik ko ang 5 kay vendor. Ayan. Vendor 001. Pwede ko maglagay ng remarks dito, factory defect. Pero, wala namang sinabi doon sa aking, sa aking task na kailangan ilagay kong, yung remarks is factory defect. So, hindi na. Okay? So, 5 lang ang ibabalik ko. Okay? And then, I'll add this one as my goods return. Okay? It will reflect doon sa aking inventory on this item. So, this is my goods return. Goods return 37. Makikita ko po dito on my inventory that I have 15 na nasa bodega, okay, instead of 20 dahil binalik ko na nga yung 5, and I have 15 committed quantity. Okay. So, this is the reservations ng ating mga customer. So, there's na available left doon sa aking item available to other customers dahil syempre naka-reserve na yung 15. Okay. So, that is for the goods return. Okay na tayo dito sa number 6. Oops, nasa na yun? Number 7 na po tayo. We'll be delivering all of the C001 order. Okay? Si customer, syempre, sales po yun. Okay? I-deliver na po natin yung kanyang order. So, since hindi naman na nagbago ulit yung kanyang isip, okay? Next naman po dito is pupunta na tayo sa delivery. Okay? So, from his order, magdi-deliver na po tayo. Ayan. So, this is based on sales order 284 and it indicates the 15 items of item 001 kay Guanson. So, i-add ko na po ito and it will also affect my inventory. Okay? About item 001. Okay? So, makikita natin that on my last data record ng delivery, nag-deliver na tayo ng 15, it will indicate on my inventory stock card na wala na akong in-stock, wala na akong committed, wala na rin pong available and ordered na paparating pa lang. Okay. So, yun po yung sa delivery natin. Okay. So, makikita rin natin dito on my sales order guys that once I refresh this one, close na po yung document na yon and hindi mo na pwedeng i-edit ulit yung mga bagay-bagay dyan. Okay. So, that solves the number 7. Okay. Next, we'll be issuing the invoice to the first shipment from the order kay V001. So, ang gagawin po natin, pupunta po tayo doon sa first shipment na meron tayo. So, purchasing, and then goods receipt PO. The first shipment is done with the yung 15 daw na na-receive natin, and the second shipment naman po is the 5 na item. Okay. So yung first shipment po is makikita po natin dyan that nag-return tayo ng 5. Kasi kapag i-receivean na natin to, 10 lang ang pwedeng gawan ng invoice. So, the first shipment is goods receipt PO 331. We'll be issuing an invoice on that one. Okay? So, invoice. Ayan. Nakita natin, 10 na lang ang pwedeng i-resibo. Diba? Okay? So, add ko na lang po ito as the transaction na gagawin natin. So, yes. Ayun. Hindi pala nakaano to. Posting date. Yan. Yes. Ayun. Okay, so that is the invoice from my first shipment, indicating 10 pieces of item 001. So, close ko to, and then, okay na tayo on this number 8. Next, issue an invoice to the second shipment. So, yung second shipment natin is yung 5 na dumating right after nung nag-order si customer, di ba? Okay, so yung 5 na na-receive natin is indicated on the goods receipt PO 332. Ayan, indicating 5 items. We'll copy this document to our invoice. Okay? So, re-resibuan na lang daw natin to. So, wala naman nagbago dito all throughout the transaction. So, I'll just add this one. So, this is based on purchase order 319 and based on goods receipt PO 332. Okay? And then, oops. Okay. Kasi nasa December tayo, kaya nag-adjust na siya agad into the next year, next month. So, same lang naman yung natin eh. Nalalagay natin dyan. Yan. Kasi binayaran. Nilalagay na natin yung yung date ng pagbabayaran. Okay, so next. Number 10 na tayo. So, usapin naman about si customer. Si customer C0001, magre-return daw siya ng 2 piraso ng kanyang receive items due to damage item due to wrong shipping. Okay? Shipping method. Ayan. Hindi daw nila binubble wrap or hindi daw nila nilagyan ng box or what, kaya nasira daw yung item. Okay? So, i-return niya daw yun. Okay? Hindi pa naman na-receivean, so we'll just go to the sales po, and then we'll rely on the document na ginawa natin, which is the delivery. Okay? So, from the 15 items na na-receive niya, magre-return daw siya ng 2 piraso doon. Hindi pa naman natin doon nagawan ng invoice, kaya it's okay to perform a return. Okay, kasi open pa naman yung status. Oh. Okay. Return tayo, or magre-return daw siya, ng 2 piraso. Okay. So, once na nag-return po ito, it will also affect the inventory. Okay. So, yung inventory stock card natin for item 001 is currently walang laman, diba? Pero once na nagbalik na siya, let's see the effect of this return. So, magre-return daw siya ng 2 based on his order on sales order 284 and delivery 277. Okay. So, makikita natin na kapag in-add natin ito, yes. Okay. Ayun po. Meron na tayong return for the order ng customer natin, si 001. So, yung return number 38 indicates 2 items has been returned to us. So, dapat ang ating inventory ay nasa ganitong status na. So, inventory data, makikita po natin that we have 2 in stock Oo, kasi nagbalik siya ng dalawa. So, dalawa yung nasa possession natin, di ba? Okay, 2 in stock, 2 available. Okay, so close ko mo ito. And then, close ko rin yung return and delivery. So, I'm done with the number 10. Ayan. Number 11 naman po tayo. Okay. So, issue an invoice to C001 received items. Siyempre, on the delivery, it will reflect na 15 yung items dyan. Pero alam naman natin na dalawa dyan ay binalik niya. So, once na ginawa natin ng invoice using copy to AR invoice, 13 lang ang pwedeng gawan ng invoice. Siyempre, binalik niya yung dalawa. Alangan nang sisingilin natin siya doon. Okay. So, 13 na po ang invoice 13 na po ang item na pwede nating i-invoice. So, due date the same day na lang po today dahil syempre that is another posting date kapag next year. Okay. Nag-a-adjust mag-isa tong ano ko. Okay, so next. Yan po yung number 11, di ba? So, i-add ko na lang po ito. Add. And this is AR invoice based on sales order 284 and delivery 277. You cannot change this document? Yes. Ayan. So, okay na tayo for number 11. Nakapag-issue na tayo ng invoice on the received items of C0001. Next. From this second shipment, magre-return daw tayo. Okay? Na-invoice na pero yun. So, anong gagawin natin? Ang gagawin po natin ay yung another naman po na method on how to return documents that are invoiced na. So, pupunta po tayo sa purchasing. Okay? Magre-rely tayo on the second shipment na na-invoice na. Okay? So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-return kasi sa goods receipt PO na second dahil close na po ito. Naresibuhan na yan eh. So, hindi na natin pwedeng gawan ng return ito. Okay? So, ang currently status nitong itong goods receipt ay yung item na yon ng second shipment is nasa invoice na siya. So, yung invoice natin is we have the first invoice on the first shipment indicating 10 items and the second invoice on the second shipment indicating 5 items. Sabi naman dito, return 2 pieces of your second shipment. Okay, so siguro yun po yung merong defect. Okay, na binalik ni customer natin kanina. So we'll just copy this to AP credit memo. Okay, so sabi ko nga sa discussions natin ang AP credit memo is a combination of a return and then cancellation of the payable amount ng kung ano yung i-return mo. Okay? So, on this part, ang gagawin natin is ibabalik daw natin yung 2 piraso kay V001 for replacement warranty. So, antayin na lang natin siguro kung kailan ulit siya mag-order or kailan ulit tayo mag-order sa kanya. Basta ang importante i-return natin para hindi natin babayaran yung sirang item dahil factory defect daw or kung ano man yung may warranty naman daw. Okay? So, 2 piraso ang ilalagay natin sa AP credit memo to indicate i-return natin ito at the same time canceling the payable amount of 9.82, di ba? Okay, so this is based on purchase order 319, goods receipt PO 332, which is the second shipment, and then AP invoice 392, which is the invoice of the second shipment. So once na in-add ko na to, makikita po natin on the stock card po na as of now, we have the 2 items in stock, di ba? Okay, and 2 available, which is yan yung binalik ni customer. Try natin i-add to and then makikita nyo po na may re-return natin yung item. So, that will indicate a AP credit memo ng 2 piraso and then ang ating inventory data na ngayon ay wala na sa atin yung item kasi binalik na natin sa vendor. Okay? So, ayun po. That is on the transaction number 12. Next. Si customer na po ay magbabayad na po siya in cash direct to my general ledger account or account ng pangalan niya ay Cabinet A Petty Cash Account. Okay. So, wala naman nang sinabing ibang dyan, details. Siguro lahat na nagbayad siya dyan. Okay. So, punta muna tayo dito sa banking. Okay. So, pag nagbabayad, banking na po. You cannot perform incoming payments from the customers kapag hindi mo pa naresibuhan. So, tapos naman na naresibuhan na natin siya. So, kapag gagawa tayo ng incoming payments, makikita po natin na si Guanson, ayan, si C001, on my branch, magbabayad daw siya nung last na order niya sa akin. Okay? So, makikita ko po, this is document 244. Check ko nga. Okay? Ito yung 13 na niresibuhan. Instead of 15, 13 lang dahil binalik niya yung dalawa. Okay. So, lahat na po ito dahil wala namang sinabi na half lang or what. Okay. Check ko na po lahat. Yan. And then, right-click or kung hindi naman po available ang right-click sa inyong device, lalo na sa mga gumagamit ng mobile phone, you can click ito. Sabi ko nga sa discussion natin noon, the same lang po yan. Yung button nandito. Ayan o. It will open up the payment means window. Okay. Cash daw siya. Direct to my Petty Cash Cabinet A. Cabinet A Petty Cash account. Okay, so I'll just search for that. Double click ko lang po yung account name para merong lalabas dito as per demonstrated din sa ating previous discussion noon. Okay, so ayan, then type ko na lang dito cabinet. Ayun, lalabas na agad yung Cabinet A, Petty Cash. Okay, I'll just double click on this one and then it will copy the account number on this payment means window. Okay, 160000A, Cabinet A, Petty Cash. And then on my total, right click ko na lang po dito, copy balance due. Or kung wala naman po kayong right click, you can also type naman po yung 62.57. Okay. So, that will indicate na po yung payment means of cash direkta doon sa ating GL account. And then, once na inad ko na po ito, it will settle the receivables natin kay Guanson. Okay. Add natin and then add. Ayun. So, okay na tayo dito sa number 13. Okay. Last na po. Ayan. Settle half of your account balance from the first and second invoice you issued from the from your order kay V001. Okay. Using yung Cabinet A na account natin. Okay. So, sige. Settle na daw natin yung payable natin. So, I'll just go to banking pa rin. Pero this time, I'll be performing outgoing payments. Okay? Outgoing payments kay vendor Sandy's Electronics, V001. Makita natin dyan, may utang tayo. And then, on my branch, okay? Yan. Yung first shipment and second shipment, we have a total of 63.86. Okay. So, sabi naman doon sa ating half of your account balance. So, hindi naman lahat yan ay babayaran natin. So, if we compute on the half of 63.86, okay, ang half po niyan ay 31.93. Okay. So, pupunta na po tayo on the payment means. You can right-click here or you can also click the button nandito sa gilid ng total amount due. Okay. So, cash niya lang din po ulit using the account na meron tayo. So, click ko lang po yun. It will open up the list of accounts. And then, account name is Cabinet A Petty Cash. Yan. Yan. Choose ko na po yan. And then, sa total, instead of typing this yung amount, yung half lang daw, which is 31.93. 31.93, and sa bank charge, ilalagay ko po dito 0 para hindi po singilin lahat. Okay. Yan. So, yan. Makikita natin that I am currently paying 31.93. So, doon sa aking overall amount na 63.86. So, may balance due after this is meron pa akong natitirang 31.93. So, okay ko na po yan. And then, i-add ko na po ito. Okay, sasabihin niya na kapag ginawa mo to, meron ka pang magiging utang na 31.93. Okay? Do you want to post this amount as payable on account? Yes pa po tayo. Yan. Add ko na po yan. And then, yun. Tapos na po ako doon sa aking number 14. So, to submit my exam, okay, I'll take the screenshot of the screen with my user account details. So, first na gagawin ko ay yung sales muna para hindi ako malito. Okay, so I'll just close this one. And then, open ko muna yung aking account. Set up, general, users. Okay. I'll find my account using find mode. Okay. Student 50, which is yun po yung ginagamit ko as of now. So, wala pa, hindi ko in-edit ito para at least, hindi ko naman inaangkin yan. Yan. So, pero yung sa inyo, meron naman kayo dapat pangalan dyan. Or kung hindi nyo pa in-edit, kailangan nyo i-edit para at least alam po na sa inyo nga talaga yung account na yan. Okay, so this is the item na kailangan natin. Besides doon sa ating transaction on the sales order. Okay, so sales order, yan, inopen ko po ito. Tabi ko lang po yan dahil iba po yung kailangan ko. Right click, or you can also, kung wala kayong right click sa inyong device, you can click ng matagal doon sa inyong screen. It will open up the relationship map dyan. Yan. So, kapag tama po yung ginawa ninyo, ang inyo pong relationship map will display as this one. Wait lang. Ayan. Makikita natin na dapat ganito yung screenshot na sinend nyo sa akin. I have the sales order. Nag-perform ako ng delivery. Dun sa delivery, nag-invoice tayo. Okay? And then, meron tayong incoming payment. At lahat sa mga yon, meron tayong return na based on the delivery. Ayan. Iayos ko lang para hindi tayo malito. Kasi baka mamaya isipin ninyo incoming payments tas nag-return. Hindi. Okay? Ang return po lagi is nasa third step yan. Or before ng ER invoice. Okay? So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay? Sales order, delivery, nag-return ng 2, niresibuhan yung 13, and then incoming payments. That is, yan, picture. Tapos, isi-save ko na po ito on the sales order na screenshot. So, next, on the purchasing naman po. Purchase order, right? Last data record, which is yung lahat ng natin ginawa. And then, relationship map. Okay, it will display a lot of details about the purchasing naman po. Makikita natin dyan, oh. Yan, dami, di ba? Iayos natin para hindi nakakalito. Okay, so it indicates here that we have a purchase order, tapos 2 receiving or shipping na natin, shipment. And then, meron tayong AP invoice. Okay? The first shipment is nag-return tayo dahil sa factory defect. Okay? And then, na-invoice natin siya. Tapos, yung goods receipt PO na second naman po is nag-return tayo ng dalawa doon dahil ni-return ni customer yun. Ito yun, di ba? AP credit memo. Okay? After issuing an invoice to those two, nag-perform na tayo ng going payments. So, iayos ko lang to and then pwede ko nang i-screenshot. Ayan. So, yun. Meron na akong pwedeng i-send doon sa aking exam. Okay. So, I have performed all of those transactions in less than an hour. Okay, nag-start pa tayo very, very late na. So, hindi naman po kulang yung oras para doon sa ating mga transaction. Sadyang siguro natataranta lang kayo. Okay? Kasi yung sa akin, dinidiscuss ko pa kung paano or para saan yung document. Pero kung seryoso naman kayo doon, you can finish this exam in less than maybe 30 minutes. Ganun. Kung alam niyo yung gagawin nyo. Okay. Anyways, that is for the discussion regarding yung atin pong examination. So, I hope na doon sa aking mga demonstration is na nalinawan po kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. Okay? And I hope by next na evaluation ko sa inyong performance on how to handle SAP is alam nyo na talaga yung gagawin ninyo. So again, good morning and I hope you learned something. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day po.